Hey now, today we have the Kyocera, or Kyocera, depending how you want to say it, s1370 Rally. It's 3G. It's for Tmobile only, and it uses a standard SIM card and a micro SD memory card, and I believe you could put a memory card in there up to 32 gigabytes it'll support, if I'm not mistaken. The camera on the back is a 2 megapixel. It does not have any front camera, and it charges via micro USB cable. Okay, and it's got a 3.5 millimeter headset jack. Okay, it's got bigger buttons, so if you're a senior or you have trouble seeing closely, this would be good for you. It's also good for kids as well. The talk time on this is up to 4 hours with the standby of up to 12 days. Now your mileage may vary. You know, they publish these times, and most users really never experience the maximum amount of time. Let's see here. So I'll put the battery in. The battery is 3.7 volts, 2.8 watts, and it's 760 milliamp hours. Okay, and the battery part number is 5AAX, B as in boy, T as in Tom, 067, G as in Georgia, E as in Echo, A as in Alpha, in case you need a replacement battery. Okay, the display is 1.8 inches QVGA, and you'll see when I power it up, it's not too shabby, but you know, it's not gonna compare to a Samsung Note 10 or anything like that, since it's older technology. Alright, and the operating system is Brew MP. The camera on the back is I had said it was 2 megapixels. I was incorrect. It's actually just a standard VGA camera. Alright, and it will do live video capture and playback up to 2080p at 30 frames per second. It has Bluetooth 2.1. It'll do text-to-speech readout for menus, text messaging, notifications. You can do SMS and MMS on here with the messaging. Pretty simple. And the onboard storage is 64 megabytes. It has 256 megabytes of ROM and 128 megabytes of RAM. The onboard storage is 64 megabytes. And again, you can expand it on the back with a micro SD card up to 32 gigabytes. Alright, and for me, this would be more of a glove box phone for emergencies, or say a burner phone if you want to, you know, you don't like to give out your main number and you're afraid of telemarketers and such. Let's see here, we'll load the camera up, and as you can see on the background here, I have red and black background, and it is very, very faint due to the quality of the camera showed on the display. I mean, when you do take a picture, it's going to come up a little better, but it does have a hard time picking up the different shades and stuff. But for a regular, not important photo, it would be all right. But I wouldn't take any precious memories with this or anything like that. Again, this is for T-Mobile only. It takes a standard SIM card, and it does have a couple tools on here. Voice memo, alarm, calendar, countdown, and your media storage and calculator. Instead of just the regular calculator, it also has a tip calculator too, which does come in handy if you're out to eat or whatnot. A stopwatch and a world clock, plus a notepad, which these days, I don't know how many of you use a regular notepad, but I'm really big into recording voice memos. I find that they're faster, and on my Android Samsung Note 10 Plus, when I use my voice memo, I could use the service where it translates the voice to actual text, and then I can save the voice message along with the actual transcription into text, which is pretty cool. But for simple notes, maybe jog down someone's phone number or your thoughts or to-do list, this would be fine. Again, it's not fancy. We sell them for $32.87 on our store. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and also subscribe. Catch you until next time. Thanks.